Guys, there's a new update in Animal Company.
Ian.
So let's go take it in.
Yeah, check out these two videos.
Okay.
If you want to see their perspectives.
The new update, we're gonna go actually, I'm gonna check out these things first.
Check out this video.
There's the nut shredder, Broccoli's. You can finally buy. You can get box fan, and that's it for there. I'm gonna go. Let's go over to the new map over here. Come to office, people.
Jet, are you recording right now? Okay, I'm gonna link your guys' videos.
You should do mine too.
I will. Okay, are you guys ready to go to office?
Bro, Red Monk, where are you?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm coming to elevator right now.
Red Monk.
I'm sorry. I'm coming.
Red ball. All right, let's go.
Yes, sir. No. Guys, look, this is the employee of the year that killed us.
Yay, we made it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, here we are. Got my trusty dynamite, light, and crowbar, and trusty backpack. I don't see any way how I can die. Guys, he's right there. I can see the light. It's the guy that tried to kill me last time. Wait, he's not there. What? I'm scared. I don't have a grappler. I don't have a grappler like you guys.
I see him.
Guys, I don't have a grappler like you guys.
Guys,
The other guy's coming. It's just gonna take him a little bit.
This is way scarier.
guys, look, I have a key
than last
card.
time.
I have a key card.
I see him. He's so slow. He's a.
I have a key card. I have a key card, bro.
Oh, let's bring that somewhere. Let's go into the exit where he just came out of. Let's sneak.
Guys, collect some of the office supplies that you can sell.
All right, guys, go. He's out. Go, go, go. Come on. There's a keyboard in here. What does that mean? Guys, he's coming back, I think. Hide, hide, hide. I think we're good.
I'm so excited.
Guys, can you say we make it
Guys, I think I can use this to get into a computer or something.
Guys, come here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa!
Guys, I'm scared.
What is this?
We found something. Guys, in here?
Jet, come down here. Jet.
Yo, come here.
J-Rod. J-Rod.
Yo?
I blew him up.
Jet, you need a key card.
I blew him up. Go get the box. Oh,
Jet, follow me. Follow me. Jet, come on right now. Jet.
Alright, we found something. We're gonna go explore.
Come on, Jet. I have the key card. I have the key card.
I
also
just
have a key
joined. Why does this game have updates every single minute?
So it's either this way. Oh, I found somewhere, Jet.
I'm coming, Cole.
I'm a little scared.
Huh?
We can go over that way or down the stairs. Which way should we go?
Let's check out down the stairs.
Guys, did you get my stuff back?
No, your stuff is still there.
Oh, I see button.
That's feedback. Where are you?
Button. Look. I opened something.
I opened something.
I opened something.
Should we go?
Yeah.
I feel like an urban explorer. I saw something.
There's a phone.
Yeah.
What is that? There's something that...
That's the Amazon employee. Hi, Amazon employee. Thank you. I'm a little scared of you. Or where did you go?
Elevator. I'm here.
We got our key cards. We got our vans. We gotta go explore the factory. Okay, get the
Red
ducky.
Monk, where are you?
I don't even know where we are. We're in a rubber room.
Let's go back. Oh, wait, coming. Red Monk.
We're coming.
Wait, we can hear.
We're heading down there now, so what time
Come to get you.
You mean up?
I killed her.
He's touching me.
He's touching me too.
Go to bed. Guys, which way did you go after the exit, Red?
I don't
We
know.
went downstairs.
Police?
Go down the elevator thing and then go down. Go down
J-Rat
the elevator thing.
J-Rat
and then go
Sliverman,
downstairs.
I'm kind of scared of him. Why is he kind of scary?
Oh, I hear Grappler. Where you
Help me.
go down or straight?
Come on. What are you doing?
Did you go
can't
down or
hit you.
straight?
He can't hit you. He doesn't hit you. Oh.
I think he does hurt you.
Guys,
Is anyone here? I died. Help. Somebody. Is anybody nearby me?
I drove down the elevator thing and he's like,
Just come find me. I'm kind of stuck. I think I'm about to die, people.
laughing is so scary.
Jet, I think. Oh, he's trying to munch me. That's cool. I don't know. I need help. He's kind of munching me.
What?
I'm gonna hurry so I can come back and help you.
Instantly kill you?
Ian, I hear you.
Kyle!
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Follow me.
Wait, you have a key card.
I know.
Get that.
I found it. Come on, follow me, Ian. Follow me.
I have an iPad.
Follow me. We just gotta go. Remember, if you stick to the ceiling, he can't hurt you. Ugh.
Bro's so loud.
Okay. Ian, come on. Ian, where are you?
Turn your game back.